And put stuff in it.
And we can put some stuff. And we can put some stuff in my backpack.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mommy.
Look, let's open this one now, Grace.
Nathaniel, get off the table, please, sweetie.
Happy birthday! We love you.
We love you, lady baby girl.
Help me pull it. Good job, you're so strong.
What's going to happen?
Do you like it? I can't see it.
Just like, open.
We got two. No, don't hold these.
Whoa. Little girls like little dolls. Okay, Grace, let me help you.
I got the stool over
You
here.
get the...
Yes, stool over you.
Hold on, I'm getting out
Stool
the doll.
over you. Stool over you.
Come on, Grace. Yeah, these things are like super secured. It's like silly. I guess they get stolen so much.
I love you.
Oh, do you love her?
Look, the pacifier comes off.
Is that a doll?
That's a lady doll. Let me see her.
This is a backpack. Grace can actually wear this and put her in this, can't she?
Yeah.
Look, lady.
Who put me inside my backpack?
Look.
No, the doll goes in the backpack.
Look, Grace, put your...
Does she sleep with it?
She can if she wants.
I want to sleep with my backpack.
No, she's
No,
not going to
she
sleep with the backpack. She can sleep with the doll.
What if Grandma and Grandpa give her another doll?
Because it's her birthday.
So what present does he get of another one?
Now you put this on your back.
Look at that, lady.
I want one on my back.
Ah, presents.
I want a backpack on my back. I want one on
You
my
have to make that one.
Oh my goodness. Oh, lady. That is so cute. Let me see that little dolly. Let
That's
me
the
see,
little
let me see the doll's face.
Before you use.
Oh, she's so cute. Bubbles. Yeah, we know there are lots of bubbles.
There you go, lady.
Mommy, I want something on my back.
And you can take it off. You just take it off your shoulder. You go like this.